rakia beha klembang phi pulis ari deng kaching nang. APHLC atumpen pherang kia mai kangni. Asamangkang pia longkang kirpon vosik ni phai pho arni an kapabat ponthu. Inut KSA klembang phi Bikram sapi kisu kacelang injekan ke Asia tumakan kiram kacelang. PMAY je hemso ki ke masai ke oya jok e phongvera tomon ke the asar nung injarla. Aprang si birda kelang arato anapan kardong pajirdo kardong non Karbi Longri Abirta longpen ojang terangpi non birtang tonpen arjupaksena. Non malom corona vora hot kedam kewang kachere nang ja pora hot sitami rakia hormu beha klematum dobomlang. Raikom sai khia tumpen tami mithang sai kachiklem ki misena jok pinang anrakia hormu mati beha klematum kachingnang. Lason sipini aruni phaing koira pho arni barpathar police station ka kharalang somati ka kharajan tobar krong thom ka chetokolong kiri ka kuru ka sai ke deng bomahut AS 19 EC 0074 ihum demapur pen ke wang boma basalong hon the mimera ke hormu mati heroin sabuna hompen ki thavet hom trok ke brapli longpon e homalong gram pharo troksira inkoira ke thom heroin ke longpon ahut khat khati ka charia rong amekar kalitang rajan hajarika achor rimpa hajarika ataningkan pli ke babang phi aphan sitami raikom sai khatum nep ingnang poncheklo
Kalau saya begitu. Itu saya lihat itu bos. Kalau itu mesmai bondo kiri. Itu police force heroin. Nah, mesmai bondo kiri.
Karbi non malom suluk sodak tomon ke japa pathak DPC ke esa hemalok pherang ke mai ing nipon. Amit nonisa alutamai bongsa Debojit Singha lapen sanjai rong hanga tumaphan apran karmo dera pathak APHLC tumpen pherang ke mai ing nipon. Laso pherang ke mai along APHLC mai phu je ai ka tharpen lam ke jai pon ke phar ing koy along ke tok pon 6 schedule aron ateng pen Karbi ke tribal alongri. Karbi along tribal phan nang jumbom tanglo. Inglong aswa khayatum kiduk kelak lapen ason bemar kelong lapen raikom sai khiatum pen encounter pen inglong aswa khai jumbom tanglo. Lapen bengo sina atum Karbi along kidu thip je aronavi Karbi along risim kang tang pen kachisong nang ason mahang ke thek nang koki government atum pen article 244E kapachun chapot lasi prabjen pen article 244E kapachun japhan APHLC mai phu je ai kathar pen kachuni report Karbi West Karbi lapen dima hasau adoya hoi lapen inglong aso alongri aruta inglong aso khayang bong nang kapachar vovera ingsamjin pen rengdok reng mi pen kapadolong japhan non ratchari bomatum siding ponang puputa APHLC mai phu je ai kathar pen
It has been seen that some senseless killings of innocent people belonging to the different tribes and community have taken place in Dhansiri area since January 2021. The APHLC had protested against the murders of Omid Nunisa and Aluta Maibangsa at Karnai Disa, Dhansiri on 27/1/2021. We condemn the murders of Debojit Sinha of Hati Camp, Dipu, Daldali Road on 15/5/2021 and Sonjoy Ronghang of Daojing Phang near Dhansiri Police Outpost on 19 May 2021. The APHLC is not happy over the circumstances which have led to the killings of 6 or 7 alleged DNLA activists on 23 May 2021. Sonjoy Ronghang was a social worker. He was an asset to the tribe's people. He was a bridge between the Karbis and Dimasas. His wife being from Dimasa tribe. He had even identified himself as one of the diffusa of Dimasas. In whatever manner the hill tribes people die, it leads to decrease of hill tribes population dangerously. Karbi Anglong is a tribal area under paragraph 20 of the 6th schedule. It is not tribal area of a single tribe. Not only a single tribe. The hills tribes people of Karbi Anglong are very worried about the decreasing percentage of population of hill tribes people, whether they die of poverty, murder, diseases, or by encounter with security forces. The decrease of hill tribes population is becoming more and more glaring by the day. The government must address itself to the causes of murders, kidnapping, immorality, corruption, lawlessness, and extremism in the hill areas. Extremism began in the hills areas only because the government unconstitutionally refused to implement Article 244A of the Constitution of India. Instead, the government has weakened the power of the 6th schedule, and this weakening has deprived the hill tribes people of employment in government posts and services. All big contracts are given to non-tribal people who have no right even to stay here permanently. Our tribes people are totally frustrated, impoverishing, demoralizing, and decreasing the percentage of the scheduled tribes population. The recent killings have a potentiality to ignite tribal clashes and more killings. Since 2002, ethnic violence used to occur during cultivation season. We suspect the involvement of Bongosenas, a section of the RSS, and agents provocateurs from within the government to cause all the past tribal clashes in Assam. We request the government to ban Bongosena extremists and to arrest all of them. We request the government to take proper steps to prevent violence among the tribes people and among all communities in Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong, and the Mahasau, whether on the borders or inside the districts. The hidden plan of the Assam government to attach the hills districts to the ongoing establishment of mini-state of Borak Valley must be scrapped. Creation of autonomous state under Article 244A of the Constitution of India is the only solution to bring peace and prosperity to the three hill districts of Assam. We continue to demand creation of autonomous state instead of attaching us to mini-state of Borak Valley. Thank you.
Atumi aruni phaing koira pliarni poloni hawarangkang pi tomon ketheke japen paningao sar therong phararong amekar ram singing hia hem PMAY je scheme pen ki kim pipon ahem so sarnung ingjala laso PMAY je scheme pen choning ke dam tang ningkan sori hinira inkoisi kimrang pipon lo bonta asar nung ki thepa thengpi ke meme dere jok epong vera tomon ke thepen ting ingjala blo lasi prabjin pen laso hemasar nung nangchi kim pipon nangji pusi ahem ahem phatum pen kachuni report Puloni pen sar honing ti Karbi Longri Abirta long birta nang pali. Corona vulkang dangbo majok Assam State Disaster Management Authority atumpen Assam angkang pia hitikulat anarlo porpai krihini pen kang hap Japan pangdak pondet pen non laso hitikulat kang hap ponaron bosik ni pai porni an pabat pon tutanglo. Rong supia hitikulat kedo anta anarlo porpai kri isi pen ing hap pon nangpo lapen curfew anarlo porpai kri hini pen dupo. Rong rup alom anta anigang sam porpai hini pen lote curfew dupo lapen district pen kaprek district kedam kewang karangka pon Vosik ni pai po ani an karangka pon pabat pon tutang lo pusi Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma pen pangtapon. Karbi Longri District Lakhatroksi Kopili Constituency ang kangalong jengkarong piarong along KSA Klembang Pi Pirbikram sapi non puanta akeng kisu kimimide dajok rong kedam college kidun ponoy un edara sonsi nang mandelo. Arjiding klui pen kisu kacelang lokajok akeng dam un edet kisu kacelang ija pan pusitami tangka kaduredet ajoksi api apuatum sitami kisu ke lang piglo bonta kisu non puanta mimidetlo lasike isi kacari bom ake haisi tuliram rong hangapan nang ravek tha pusya api apuatum pen kacuning ripontu KSA along song klem raperatum sitami citong dunsi bangso pirbikram sapia phan kithiki dinga tuma phan sitami ravek thapusi jengkha KSA head branch pen maipu rokasenti so sitami chuning ri piduntu
nang itu ha nang chuning ri ji ke la puhelo ni ri supi pirbikram sapi keso aji tang ding piglo na anta mi elang hiltum celang piglo doktor yang da celang lo la pen tarbiaron ta celang piglo na anta mi yang edalo sini litum ta tulong ikake dalo ki potom sita mane nangli non bang ke ni nangli tu man tuning ji bang ke man peng ke do atum asa tuliram rong hang apan si nang rabi pu busini di nangli tu ma pan nang tuning di lo la pen am ding olo kutai runi ri thomlo nang anta ni gun edalo asinang langki tha nangli tu hasil tuning di lo aloh ni di
Topi nila dak nilitung jengkha head branch pen nilitung lo members Mr. Pirbikram sapi alang kami keso dingklui pen lopu kalong pen nilitung along anang palelo tapi na parents sunto ni cingklong lo tanong lo pason sila na tanong lo mane keso ding hoilo kecelang bom lo wasi tani kini yang cek bang awet penang kasi nilitung biota lo kasi alang tumben lam this nampak lang tu mane keso dingklui lo kami kelang dia ba sai bang awekin lasi niltum Karbi Longri song ben Karbi ngolong to namas konsil hasi em han sar han tami kerap jivan tuning ripon lo ati dam tangan tami Karbi ngolong ato kanu keso abang pubang pituman tami alang li rap dan bok kasi nilitum long nilitum yasi arup ikan atau niligang tu ngelalo alang li pirbikram sapi ke solong itu nama konsil siam tuliram long hangsar dan kami kerapon popo ning kilo
Karbi Abirta la ansikang ton cholo kaduka via phanta kardong